how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. So what you have to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat app and click on it like this. After that, click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back, click on data usage and disable the background data right here, and make sure to enable the roaming data and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. After that, restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.